AWS CodePipeline is a fully managed continuous integration and continuous delivery service offered by Amazon Web Services. It serves as the orchestration layer for your entire software release process, enabling you to automate the steps required to release your software changes continuously. CodePipeline is designed to help development teams deliver features and updates rapidly, reliably, and at scale by automating the build, test, and deployment phases of your release process. AWS CodePipeline is a fully managed continuous delivery service that helps you automate your release pipelines for fast and reliable application and infrastructure updates. The service automates the build, test, and deploy phases of your release process every time there is a code change, based on the release model you define. It orchestrates your entire CI/CD workflow by connecting various stages together. CodePipeline integrates seamlessly with both AWS services and third-party tools, giving you flexibility in choosing your development toolchain. This automation enables you to deliver features rapidly while maintaining high quality and reliability in your releases. CodePipeline is built on 4 core components. First is the pipeline itself, which is the workflow construct that orchestrates the entire CI/CD process from start to finish. Second are stages, which are logical groups that organize related actions. Common stages include source, build, test, and deploy. Third are actions, which are the actual tasks performed on your code or artifacts within each stage. These could be building your application, running tests, or deploying to production. Finally, artifacts are the files or data that are passed between stages for processing. Understanding these 4 components is essential to designing effective pipelines. A typical CodePipeline workflow consists of 4 main stages. The source stage retrieves your code from a repository whenever changes are detected. This triggers the pipeline automatically. Next, the build stage compiles your source code and packages your application into deployable artifacts. The test stage then runs automated tests to verify that your application works as expected and meets quality standards. Finally, the deploy stage releases your tested application to production or staging environments. This linear workflow ensures that every code change goes through the same consistent process, reducing the risk of errors and improving reliability. CodePipeline supports multiple source code repositories for the source stage. You can use AWS CodeCommit, which is AWS's own managed source control service. GitHub and GitLab are also supported for teams using these popular platforms. You can retrieve artifacts from Amazon S3 buckets if your code or files are stored there. Bitbucket integration is available for Atlassian users. Additionally, Amazon Elastic Container Registry, or ECR, can serve as a source for container images. This flexibility allows you to work with your existing development tools without forcing a migration to AWS-specific services. For the build stage, CodePipeline integrates with several build providers. AWS CodeBuild is the native AWS build service that compiles your code and runs tests in a managed environment. You can also integrate with Jenkins, a widely used open-source automation server. TeamCity and CloudBees are additional options for teams already using these platforms. On the testing side, AWS CodeBuild can also run your test suites. Oz Device Farm allows you to test mobile applications on real devices. You can integrate third-party testing tools or create custom actions to run any testing framework you prefer. This variety ensures your existing build and test processes can be incorporated into your pipeline. CodePipeline supports numerous deployment targets for the deploy stage. AWS CodeDeploy automates application deployments to Amazon EC2 instances, on-premises servers, or serverless Lambda functions. Amazon ECS, or Elastic Container Service, is the target for deploying containerized applications. Amazon EKS, or Elastic Kubernetes Service, enables deployments to Kubernetes clusters. Oz Lambda deployments allow you to update serverless functions directly. Elastic Beanstalk is supported for platform-as-a-service deployments. CloudFormation integration enables infrastructure-as-code deployments, allowing you to update your entire infrastructure stack through your pipeline. This comprehensive integration ecosystem makes CodePipeline suitable for virtually any deployment scenario. CodePipeline offers several powerful features that enhance your CI/CD workflow. Automated triggers automatically start your pipeline whenever code changes are detected in your repository. Manual approvals allow you to gate critical deployments with human approval actions, ensuring oversight for production releases. Parallel execution enables you to run multiple actions simultaneously within a stage, reducing overall pipeline execution time. The visual pipeline interface provides real-time monitoring of execution status, making it easy to track progress and identify issues. Event notifications integrate with simple notification service and CloudWatch to send alerts about pipeline events. Finally, security and compliance features include IAM role integration and encryption at rest, ensuring your pipeline meets enterprise security requirements. Artifacts are a critical concept in CodePipeline. They are files or data passed between stages and are automatically stored in Amazon S3 buckets. Each action can have input artifacts that it consumes and output artifacts that it produces. For example, the source stage outputs your source code as an artifact, which the build stage consumes as input and produces a compiled application as output. Stage transitions control the flow between stages. You can enable or disable transitions between stages, which is useful for testing and troubleshooting. If you need to pause deployments to investigate an issue, you can disable the transition to the deploy stage without stopping your entire pipeline. This gives you fine-grained control over your release process. CodePipeline delivers significant benefits to development teams. Rapid delivery is achieved by automating the entire release process, allowing for faster iterations and quicker time to market. Consistency is ensured through a standardized deployment process, which reduces human errors and variability. Visibility into your pipeline execution is provided through real-time tracking, so you always know the status of your releases. Customization is possible through flexible integration with virtually any tool or service in your development toolchain. The service is cost-effective because you only pay for active pipelines that you actually use, with no upfront costs. Finally, reliability is built in as a fully managed service with high availability, meaning AWS handles the infrastructure so you can focus on your applications. These benefits make CodePipeline an essential tool for modern DevOps practices.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.